Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. If you are using Google Docs and you want to add Grammarly extension in your Google Docs, so open any web browser and search grammarly.com. You have to open any web browser and search grammarly.com. Then scroll down and click on Grammarly for Google Docs. So just click on it. Now guys, you will see this page Grammarly for Google Docs. Just you have to click on Get Grammarly and it's free. So click here. Now you need to create your free account with your Gmail, Facebook or Apple ID. And if you have already, so click on I have an account and log in your account with your email and password. Now click on this plus icon and open Google Docs. Now open your document blank or your document where are you working. After successfully sign in, click on apps, then click on Grammarly for Chrome and install. Now click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. We can see here works where you write. You can write in Google Docs, Gmail, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook or any another platform. So this feature and this extension will be helpful for you. Just you have to download this extension. Now click on this pin and click on this Grammarly G icon. Now refresh your Google Docs or open Google Docs and try to type something. So we can see now this Grammarly is now active. You can work mistake free your article or something what you need. So this way you can use and you can install Grammarly in Chrome browser once you need. So this way you can add Grammarly to your browser and you can use Grammarly in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.